Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's Commodities Market Update with Jateen Trivedi. I am Senior Research Analyst with LKP for Commodities. On the commodities section, there are many things developing, and the newly developed contract or the newly developed add-on contract in the options is from the natural gas byproduct. So I think these natural gas and commodity and crude oil price, both of the contracts in energies are now having the options contract for trading, which is going to benefit the energies index as well as the overall growth of the energy index and energy prices. The participation will be quite healthier going ahead, as the underlying asset always has a higher side of the margin, and people with less amount who want to take less amount of risk into the commodities are always shying away from these asset classes due to higher risk when it comes to overnight position. So one strong hurdle on the overnight position is that the higher required margin and a gap up or gap down on the opposite direction of your position definitely goes into the negative side of the retailers. So now as the options contracts are now available on both crude oil and natural gas, it becomes quite healthier for the retailers to participate whenever they have this a view that natural gas prices will have at least 5 to 10% jump from here. So one can participate on the long options on at the near term, at the money or near the money call options on the natural gas front. um, and the main criteria for discussing this topic is that one needs to be aware that the commodities are now also focusing on options contracts as well. It is very less participation that we have seen into the commodities, where so many commodity contracts are available for trading into the options, whether be it gold mini, gold, silver mini, crude oil, and now natural gas, copper, zinc. But only the participants are participating in the crude oil prices, as the prices are volatile over there. Uh, the buyers of the options definitely need some trending, and hence we have seen less of a attraction onto the copper, zinc, and silver contracts, because these contracts are not very volatile in terms of percentage. But natural gas, as we all know, that this commodity underlying asset is a very volatile asset, and the options contract should be quite momentum, just like we have on the NSE of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now, how to trade and what to trade is the next question. That how do you trade on the natural gas front, and what is the outlook for it. So speaking about the natural gas prices, the prices have shown some good amount of breakout recently, where the prices have started to sustain about 315, and till the time they are trading above 300, I am looking at the natural gas prices as also on a positive side for the rise towards 340, 350 again. So, judging by the current contracts which are available, I would suggest that any hedgers or any traders who want to take position can try to price in at the 320, 325 call option mark as their first trade for natural gas options trade. Since it is the launch of the contract, so one can try to maximize this option, as not many of them are still aware, and one can try to hedge it by selling the out of the money call option as well, if and all they want to take less amount of risk into the option side. So going ahead, we'll also discuss many other aspects of these underlyings and the options. How to do you trade? There are many strategies also. So you need to keep a watch on our YouTube channel handle of Ticker TV. So you guys will be able to uh, get to all the strategies and the underlyings, which how they are moving about into the commodities. So I would strongly recommend listeners to subscribe the channel, and definitely like our video and follow us on the YouTube for further updates on the commodities section as well. So this is about it from me, guys, on this week's commodities market update. As we have discussed about the natural gas prices outlook and the newly launched options contract available for trading as well onto the natural gas underlying commodity asset. Hope to catch you all next week again on the same Ticker TV's commodities market update on YouTube. Thank you.